Good evening, dear students. In the previous class, we have learnt the comparison of fractions. When like fractions given, how, how can we compare those? And when unlike fractions are given, how to compare those fractions we have discussed with yesterday. Today, using the same concept only, we are going to order the fraction. When so many number of fractions are given, 3, 4, 5, like that, when number of fractions are given, we can arrange them in two orders, starting from smallest to biggest, ascending order, and from biggest to smallest, the descending order. In both the ways, you can order the fractions. Now let us start. Let me take one example and let us order the fractions. In first case, I would like to take like fractions. See, in like fractions, the denominator will be same. We have to arrange the fractions according to their value. See, first let me take 1 by 8. Second fraction is 6 by 8. Third one is 3 by 8. And next 2 by 8. See, 4 fractions are given. We have to arrange these fractions in ascending order and descending order. 1 by 8, 6 by 8, 3 by 8, 2 by 8. When you look at the denominators, all the denominators are same. So now you should compare using the numerators. Let us start ascending order. In ascending order, we are going to arrange the fractions from smallest to biggest. When you look at these numerators, 1, 6, 3, 2, 1 is the smallest one, so 1 by 8 is the smallest one, fraction. Now leave this one. Among these 3, 2 is the smallest one. Next, 2 by 8. 1 by 8 is smaller than 2 by 8. Then 2 by 8 is smaller than 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is smaller than 6 by 8. See, now we have arranged these fractions in the increasing order. 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 6 by 8. This is ascending order. See how to arrange in descending order? It is just opposite to this one. How? We are going to start with 6 by 8. It is greater than 3 by 8. Next, that is greater than 2 by 8. That is greater than 1 by 8. See, this is the descending order. In the descending order, we are going to write the greatest fraction from greatest to smallest. We are going to write it down. This is the way we are going to order the fractions when they are like fractions. Dear students, now let us order when the fractions, numerators are same in those fractions. How can we order the fractions? That we are going to discuss it now. 5 by 10, 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 11. When you look at the numerators, all the numerators are same, denominators are different. So how to solve this one? See, this we have discussed yesterday. When the numerators are same, the denominator which is more has less value. 10, 2, 4, 11. When you compare the denominators, 11 is more, the value of the fraction is less. So smallest fraction among these is 5 by 11. This is smallest one. Now, leave this one. 10, 2, 4. Among these, smallest one is 5 by 10. Now leave this one. 2 and 4 are there. See, among these 4 is more. The value of the fraction is less. 5 by 4. Next, 5 by 2. See, the denominator indicates how many parts we have divided? Here it is only 2 parts, but we have taken more parts. Size of the part will be more, the value will be more. That's why when numerators are same, the denominator which is more will have less value because the size of the part will become less. This is ascending order. See, descending order is just opposite of this one. Start with the biggest one. 5 by 2 is greater than 5 by 4 greater than 5 by 10 which is greater than 5 by 11. See, this is the way you can arrange or order the fractions when the numerators are same. Dear students, now when denominators and numerators both are different, at that time how can you order these fractions in ascending and descending? For this, we can use two methods. One is cross multiplication method, another one is decimal method. See, we have learned cross multiplication method yesterday. Now, let me take these 4 fractions together and let us find out through the cross multiplication. 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. So, when you compare, see, 5 ones are 5, 2 threes are 6. 5 ones are 5, 2 threes are 6. 1 by 2 is less, 3 by 5 is more. See, 1 by 2. See, randomly write it 1 by 2. 3 by 5. Because I have left some space in between. Because any of these two fractions may come in between. I don't know. Now, let me compare 3 by 5 and 4 by 7. 3 by 5, 4 by 7. I am going to do cross multiplication. 7 threes are 21. 5 fours are 20. See, among these, 3 by 5 is more, 4 by 7 is less. 4 by 7 is less. See, randomly I have written it. Now, let us compare. Okay, sorry, wait. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. So you take 1 by 2. Among these we have found out 1 by 2 is the smallest one. Now 1 by 2 should be compared with the 4 by 7. 1 by 2 compared with the 4 by 7. See, compare it. 7 ones are 7. 4 twos are 8. Among these again 1 by 2 is the smallest. Next, 1 by 2 should be compared with the 7 by 10. 1 by 2, 7 by 10. 10 ones are 10. 2 sevens are 14. So, among all these, you can decide 1 by 2 is the smallest one. First you have written 1 by 2. Now, how many are there? 3 by 5, 4 by 7 and 7 by 10. Among these, you should decide which is small. 3 by 5 and 4 by 7. 7 threes are 21. 5 fours are 20. So 4 by 7 is less. Now between 4 by 7 and 7 by 10. 4 by 7, 7 by 10. 4 tens are 40. 7 sevens are 49. See, 4 by 7 is smallest here. Again, among these three, 4 by 7 is smallest. Now write 4 by 7. Now only 3 by 5 and 7 by 10 are left. 3 by 5 and 7 by 10. 3 tens are 30. 5 sevens are 35. See, 3 by 5 is smallest. 3 by 5. Next, 7 by 10. See, once you get the ascending order, you can write it in the descending order. First, you should take one fraction. You should compare all with all these three. you will find out the smallest one. Next 3 will be remaining. You should compare these 3 one by one. You take this one, compare with this one, the same, which is smallest among these two, should be compared with another one. Then you will find out the smallest one. When you get 2 fractions, only 2 will be remaining. From those you should decide which is smallest and which is biggest. Now we will give the ascending order. Next, descending order is very simple. 7 by 10, 3 by 5, 4 by 7, 1 by 2. In this way, using cross multiplication you can do it. But when 2 fractions are given, at that time cross multiplication will be very useful to find out the answers, like which is small and which is big. But now let us study decimals method, which will be very easier than this method to decide the ascending and descending order of these fractions. Now let us convert the fractions into decimals so that we can compare the fractions like this. 1 by 2. 1 should be divided by 2. 1, zeros are 0, 1. Put a decimal point, take 1 0. 2 5s are 10. Okay, you will get 0.5. First fraction. Next. Second one, 3 by 5. You can do it here. 3 should be divided by 5. 5 zeros are 0. Put a decimal point, take 0. 5 6 are 30. Second one is 0.6. Take 4 by 7. 4 should be divided by 7. 7 zeros are 0. 4 remainder, put a decimal point, 0. 7 5s are 35. 5 remainder, 0. 7 7s are 49. 1 remainder, leave it. You can write it 0.57. Next, 7 by 10. See, this decimal conversion is very easy. That I have taught you. Write the numerator, count number of zeros. 1 0 is there. 1 place, put a decimal point, put 0. You will get 0.7. Now, they are not like decimals because here decimal place after decimal place, 1 place is there, 1 place, here 2 places, here 1 place. To make it like, you can put zeros. Because after decimal point, if you put any number of zeros, the value will not change. Now you can compare them. 0.50, 0.60, 0.57, 0.70. 0.50 is the smallest, means 1 by 2 is smallest. Next, 0.57, that is 4 by 7. Next, 0.60 means 3 by 5. Next, 0.70 means 7 by 10. See, this is the ascending order. Once you get the ascending order, you can write it descending order. 7 by 10, 3 by 5, 4 by 7 and 1 by 2. See, this is also one method you can use to solve the ordering of the fractions when numerators and denominators are different.